Hi everyone, how's it going? Today we're looking at the iPad Magic Keyboard. I supposed to use the Dragon Sword, but I saw this keyboard today in the shop. I instantly bought it since I always wanted one. But so let's have a look at. This is the one I got is for the 11-inch iPad. This is one I got as well, and I think 12 inches or the other one, whatever it's called, it's too big for me to draw stuff. But that's why I bought it, and it's cheaper as well. Well, not much cheaper. Anyway, so the packaging itself just like an Apple typical product. Nothing particular I want to see it, but let's just open it. I don't need this. Let's just rip everything apart. Ditch it away, and let's just open the package itself. I hope the keyboard got battery, like all the other product. Okay, here we go. I don't need this rubbish. So inside box we got so the keyboard himself. Jeez, it's quite heavy. Oh, okay. There's nothing in the back. I don't need you anymore. Let's just tear the protective color sleeve out. The texture is very nice, and so I'm gonna touch it. So just open the keyboard, and what's inside here? Okay, you got your instruction manual, so it doesn't come with any cable to recharge it. Okay, whatever, it's fine. So that's the keyboard himself. So you got all the keys and you got the mouse pad, which is very nice. I think here you got the USB charger. I guess it's for your cable to connect to your iPad. You can probably just use the iPad cable, I guess. So yeah, this drawing is very, very nice, sticky. So that's on the other side, that's the back. Okay, let's try it out. I got my iPad here. I think you just need to attach to here. Let's see. My Face ID to open it. Oh gosh. Don't read my face. Okay, here we are. Okay, so now let's give it a try. Okay, so the alternate connect to the iPad himself. Zooming a little bit on the videos so everybody can see it. It is very nice, much more steep, very, very stable. I think so. Just look at the side. I think you can do that way, but it's very nice. Oh, I don't need to do Apple TV. I don't use it. Cool. Let's just give it a try. So the mouse, you can see the dot is here, and let's just use, let's see, Safari. Do I just click it? Oh, I need to click it. I can't. It must be a setting I can change to tab, but let's just do things and see if we can type anything in. Let's click here. Let's go to Google. Keyboards are very nice as well. I think it's just like all the other Apple keyboard, probably. I remember I got this old Apple Magic Keyboard for the iMac back in uni, but this is quite similar. Yes, keyboard himself is very, very nice touching. I'm just typing random stuff in. Cool, cool, cool. It is very nice. I can't see any volume button. I'm a bit disappointed. I was probably gonna keep that for the next update keyboard. That's what they've been doing all the time. But I think this is nice. I'm probably gonna use it instead of my Surface. Actually, just for comparison, bring up. Oh, sorry, the camera's falling apart. But okay, let's bring it back here. Good. So just for compare, let's move it aside. Let's put a pen on the top. And we got the Surface himself, which I'm not going to use it for work, but yeah, I think the Surface I got is quite big, but I mean, I think the size is fine. And generally, I think in terms of weight, it's quite similar. I think the iPad is slightly heavier, but anyway, it's good. Yeah, I think I need to give it a try for a few days, see how it will feel. But I mean, the first impression when I'm trying to use it, it is very nice. The key itself and reflection is no delay. I didn't see any delayed. And it's just typing YouTube. So YouTube Premium. Oh, I don't know if they have Premium service for YouTube. Interesting. Yes, this is really cool stuff. But I suggest, like, if you haven't got iPad yet, probably just waiting for the newer updated version for the iPad and keyboard as well. I think next time they're probably just gonna add the volume key, or probably even gonna add a USB or USB tab on the keyboard. But this is cool. I mean, when you close the iPad, when you close the keyboard, I mean, it's like a photo. It's a really nice shape. You probably need a bag for it, but it is nice. This is very nice. Yes, so anyway, thanks for watching. Next time I really need to do the Dragon Sword since I did Megazord the other time. But hope everybody stays safe at home, and see you next time.